Right, so we're back to the car again, and this time we're making a nice toggle switch holder for the dash. First things first is to pop the old cover out so we can take measurements from it and replicate it in FreeCAD. Then we add a hole size for the switch, and now all we have to do is print it out. We just got our hands on some Protopasta carbon fiber PLA, so naturally we're going to do it with that. Now that we have all of our pieces, we can put it together. We'll start by stealing the metal clip from the old cover. And then we attach it to the printed one, just like so. Next, we grab our toggle switch and pop the nut and on-off plate off of it. So then we can slip it through the hole in the holder. From there, all we have to do is toss the on-off plate back on and then snug the nut up on top, and we're ready to go install it. This switch has handy screw-on terminals, which make things nice and easy. Once the leads are attached, all we have to do is snap the cover into place. We built this switch to function as a temporary way to get the low beams to work while we try to find a replacement combo switch. All I've got to say is it does the job perfectly.